Hi, I'm gli-chan. I don't speak English, but I'm using ChatGPT to translate. Kanji can be really tricky, right? Even Japanese people struggle with them. So for people learning Japanese, it must be even harder. But if you learn what shapes kanji come from and look at ancient scripts carved into bones or shells, it can become easier to remember. And you might even discover hidden messages left by ancient Chinese people in the characters. Let's have fun learning together. Today's kanji is awo, which means blue or sometimes green. In the past, blue and green weren't clearly separated. So even today, Japanese people call the green traffic light awo shingu, or blue signal. Besides color, the word awo also means fresh or young. Long ago, vegetable sellers were called awomo no sho, or green goods merchants. And young people are called seinen, which uses the character for blue. It gives a fresh and youthful impression, kind of like the word minty in English. Let's look at the shape of the kanji. The top part of awo comes from sei, which shows a new sprout growing from the ground. It fits perfectly with meanings like fresh or young. The bottom part looks like tsuki today, but in ancient Chinese writing, it was a tunnel entrance surrounded by wood. This tunnel was where they mined blue-green pigments like azurite and malachite. So the precious source of dye is captured in the shape of the character itself. Let's take a look at one more confusing character that looks very similar, Seki. Even though it resembles awo, its origin is completely different. The top part comes from a wooden post used to hang a signboard, and the bottom part kai means money. This character originally referred to a tax collection site, so it evolved to mean things like responsibility and duty. It has nothing to do with the meaning of freshness or color like awo does. Now, let's look at how awo combines with other parts to make new words. When you add sun, it becomes sunny. When you add water, it becomes clean or pure. When you add heart, it becomes emotion or feeling. These parts on the left help us guess what group the kanji belongs to. Sun is often related to time or weather. Water is water-related and suggests cleanliness. Heart comes from the kanji for heart and relates to emotions and thoughts. It's kind of like English prefixes, right? E means outward, uni means one, and pri means primary or main. Let's write the character awo together. Today's video was about the hidden shapes and meanings behind the kanji for awo blue. Did you find it helpful for your kanji learning? If there's a kanji you want to learn about, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye bye.